Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach, here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I'll be sharing my investment journey with you. Just a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. In today's video, we'll be having a look at my portfolio in Trading 212. As you can see today, there's a lot of red, but I'm not really worried about that. That just means I have a lot of shares that I can buy more in to bring down my costing average, especially like in Tesla and Workhorse, Izea World, I'll be buying more shares of as well. So red days just means sales to me, because I have done my research in all these companies and I'm happy to keep holding on to them for the next few years. So if you would like to get your own free shares in Trading 212, I'll leave a link in the description below that you can use to sign up. I'll definitely recommend, if you live in the UK, to sign up for an ISA account. The reason for that is that keeps all your money safe from taxes. So all the growth your portfolio makes means you don't have to pay any taxes on it, and you can invest up to £20,000 in your ISAs per year. So having a look at my dividend income for the month of February, here you can see I've made another £9.09, which is exactly the same as last month. Due to February, May, August and November being my weak months due to my quarterly income, I thought I'm going to have a dip this month. But because I keep buying monthly stocks and quarterly stock, I was actually surprised to see that I was still earning the same that I did last month, which I'm really happy with. And here you can also see the total amount I've invested in my monthly stocks in February, how much I've invested in my quarterly stock, and how much I invested in my growth stocks for the month of February as well. Now having a look at our monthly dividend stocks, you will see I bought 4 more of Stag Industrial on the 1st of February at a cost of $89.08, and that brings my total shares for Stag Industrial up to 14 shares. So Stag Industrial is a real estate investment trust focused on acquisition and operations of single tenants. Now this is ticker symbol STAG. They have an enterprise value of 6.3 billion with a square feet of 92.3 million. And they are in 38 states. I'll leave a link on top where I go into more detail about this company and the stock analysis. Now having a look at my monthly dividend stocks for the month of February, at Realty Income I received £1.41, LTC Property I received 71 pence, Stag Industrial I received 73 pence, Main Street Capital I received 88 pence, Bambina I received £1.01, and Gladstone Commercial Group I received 31 pence, and Whitestone REIT I received 17 pence. So that gives me a total of £5.22 for my monthly dividend income. If you're getting value so far, please smash that like button so it turns blue, and make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So having a look at my quarterly dividend stocks, for the month of February, I bought 2 more shares of AT&T on the 2nd of February at a cost of $42.15. That brings my total share amount up to 14 shares. Now I bought more shares into AT&T this month. Now this is a company that connects people and entertain them, as they've got broadband, mobile phones, and they also have HBO. They are currently trading at $29.44 and they are working on rolling out 5G all over the United States. But I'll leave a link on top where I go into more detail about this company and the stock analysis. The next stock I bought more of is Exxonmobil. I bought 2 more shares on the 1st of February at a cost of $65.21, and that brings my total amount of shares to 7 shares. So Exxonmobil is an American company. Their operations is in oil, natural gases and energy technologies. Now they are working on low carbon solutions to commercialize emissions reducing technology. They also plan to grow the long-term shareholders' value in lower carbon future outlines at the Investor Day in 2021. What I do like about this company, they are working with oils at the moment, but they do understand that we are all wanting to go greener and protecting the planet, so they are working very hard to find technologies and ways to bring down emissions. They are also working with the US government to try and bring down carbon emissions for a healthier, safer planet. If you would like a more in-depth view of this company, I'll link a video on top that you can go and have a look at. Now, having a look at the payments we received for February, we only received AT&T at £3.87. So from my quarterly payment stocks, I received £3.87 for the month of February. So having a look at my growth stocks for the month of February, I bought 2 more shares of Virgin Galactic on the 4th of February at a cost of $79.81. This brings my total amount of shares to 9 shares. I also bought Workhorse for 7 shares on the 25th of February 2021 at a cost of £77.59. This was to help bring down my costing average for Workhorse. So now I own 14 shares of Workhorse. I also bought 2 more shares of QuantumScape on the 1st of February 2021 at a cost of £60.39. This is also to bring down my costing average for QuantumScape. Now I own 7 shares of this company. I also bought more of Tesla, but I only planned to buy £50, but I ended up buying £100 of Tesla. Due to the price drop in Tesla, I wanted to try and bring down my costing average, as my costing average for Tesla is quite high. I also bought shares of Izea worldwide. I bought 15 shares on the 12th of February at a cost of $54.36. I also bought Dension Mine 60 shares on the 12th of February at a cost of $51.56. And I finally have my first 3 shares, Bionanogenomics. I sold 6 shares on the 12th of February at a cost of $53.92. That gives me a profit of £1.96 on the shares I bought. I still own 7 shares, which at the end of February was worth $49.76. So that means that is almost a full £50 profit, which I still have in shares that can still keep growing. I have no physical investment in that £50 anymore. So let's have a look at how the stock has done so far. So for the month of February, when we have a look at Virgin Galactic, I am in the green on that one. So this is the total investment I've made so far, and this is what my shares are valued at the end of February. Then we have a look at Workhorse. This is the amount I've invested, and this is the value at the end of February. Now I know Workhorse has taken quite a big dip, so I have been buying to bring down my costing average. So I'm hoping to see this one in the green quite soon again. If we have a look at Rolls-Royce, you will see this is what I invested, and I'm in the green on Rolls-Royce this month, where last month I was in the red. So having a look at QuantumScape, this is all the investment I've made into QuantumScape, and I'm in the green with QuantumScape this month, which I'm really happy with as well. Now, Ceres Corporation has taken a bit of a hit as well this month, as this is my total investment, and I'm in the red on Ceres Corporation, but this just means I can buy more shares this month if it stays below, because I like to buy when my shares are in the red instead of in the green, because this helps bring my costing average down. Tesla has been fallen quite a lot. I'm sure you guys have noticed that, so that one is quite in the red, and I'm planning to buy more as Tesla keeps falling, because it will be going back up at some point, but I do want to buy the dip to bring my costing average down. Having a look at Izea worldwide, they've had a dip as well this month, but I will be buying a bit more shares in March to help bring down my costing average if the stock is still in the red. Then we've got the Dension Mines. I bought that at $51.65, and that's in the red as well. But I'm not really concerned. because a lot of the shares for some reason has gone into a downward spiral, almost like a little bit of a crash, because it's not just one or two shares, it's all the EVs that I've been looking at, all of them has gone quite down. Virgin Galactic has fallen. So it's not just one or two shares. The reason mine are still in the green is because I bought it at a really great price when it was at a big dip last time. In my opinion, this is just a lot of stocks having a bad day, because a lot of their fundamentals are the same and there's no specific reason why they all should be doing so bad. So I can't wait to get more of these shares while they're in the red. So when the shares start going back up, it just makes my profits a lot more in the future. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.